National capital, the Vice President has flagged off the rally. Remember, the Prime Minister and the BJP leaders have been asking people to participate in the Tiranga rally. Now, the Vice President has flagged off the rally in the National capital with several BJP workers also being seen there. Aishwarya is joining us live with more details. Aishwarya, take us to what's happening there. We're seeing a massive flag march being taken up.
Well, that's right. Vice President Venkaiah Naidu flagged off this massive bike rally, which has been organized by the Ministry of Culture. And there you can see different member of parliaments from different constituencies are participating in this bike rally. This has started from Red Fort and will proceed towards Parliament, where all the member of parliament from different party lines have been invited by the Ministry of Culture. Parliamentary Affairs Minister Prahlad Joshi yesterday, in fact, appealed to different member of parliaments to participate in this rally, and there you can see all these member of parliaments have are now proceeding toward the Red Fort, and this is under the Har Ghar Tiranga campaign which is being launched. सर, कितना बड़ा मौका है आज हर घर तिरंगा कैंपेन के अंतर्गत
पूरे देश में आज़ादी के 75वें वर्ष का जश्न मनाया जाए, इसके लिए सारे देश को जागरूक कर एकजुट करने का ये माहौल है। और इसमें देशभक्ति है सब में, लेकिन सामने आए सारी दुनिया को देखे कि भारत में 75 वर्ष आज़ादी के मनाए जा रहे हैं।
सर, सभी पार्टीज को इन्वाइट किया गया था, लेकिन सिर्फ बीजेपी के एमपी
इनवाइट किया है, जो उनकी अपनी अपनी मानसिकता है, लेकिन भारतीय जनता पार्टी इस मामले में कोई प्रकार की राजनीति नहीं चाहती। देश के लिए और देशभक्ति के लिए अमृतकाल की प्रारंभ के लिए ये तिरंगा यात्रा निकली।
So there you heard clearly they have said that the invitation was gone beyond the party line, but certainly only BJP MPs can be seen over here. But it's a massive bike rally which has been organized by the Ministry of Culture, and yesterday as well, remember, BJP President JP Nadda had asked different
ये देश का कार्यक्रम है, उन सबको सम्मिलित होना चाहिए।
यहाँ से ये तिरंगा बाइक रैली
Well, there you can clearly see now also the BJP party workers are here, and they are going forward. In fact, member of parliament सर, कितना बड़ा मौका है आज आप लोग तिरंगा लेकर?
आज पूरे सांसद एनडीए के आज तिरंगा लेकर लाल किले से विजय चौक तक एक बाइक रैली निकाल रहे हैं और देश के लोगों को ये संदेश दे रहे हैं कि 13 अगस्त से 15 अगस्त तक हर देशवासी अपने अपने घर पर तिरंगा फहराएं, क्योंकि आज दुनिया में तिरंगे का जो सम्मान बढ़ा है, आज उसको हमको और आगे बढ़ाना है। ये देश के लिए इससे बड़े गौरव की बात नहीं हो सकती।
सभी पार्टी से मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट को इनवाइट किया गया था, क्योंकि ये सरकारी कार्यक्रम है, मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ कल्चर का कार्यक्रम है, लेकिन सिर्फ बीजेपी के ही एमपी।
देखिए, तिरंगा एक पार्टी का नहीं है, ये देश का तिरंगा है, देश का मान है, देश का सम्मान है, देश का स्वाभिमान है। इसलिए सबको आना चाहिए था, और मैं सबसे आज भी अपील करूंगा, इसमें किसी पार्टी की बात नहीं है, किसी दल की बात नहीं है। इसलिए सब देशवासियों ने अपने अपने घर पर तिरंगा फहराना है 13 अगस्त से लेकर 15 अगस्त तक।
सर, एक आखिरी सवाल, कांग्रेस के गोवा चीफ ने एक कमेंट भी किया है, कहा है कि बीजेपी अब भगवा रंग से ऊपर उठकर तिरंगा पर आ गई है, तो देर आए दुरुस्त आए।
देखिए, भगवा रंग का मकसद अपने त्याग का प्रतीक है और तिरंगा देश के सम्मान का प्रतीक है। दोनों की अपनी अपनी जगह हैं, इसलिए दोनों ही भारतीय जनता पार्टी के लिए और हम सब के लिए सम्मान के पात्र हैं। लेकिन तिरंगा देश का सम्मान है, देश का मान है, देश का स्वाभिमान है, इसलिए इस तरह की बात नहीं करनी चाहिए किसी को भी।
For speaking to us. So there you heard, appealing to each and every individual to take out tirangas and to host them at their homes as well, just because this is under the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav campaign. And yesterday as well, Prime Minister Narendra Modi in fact tweeted and asked different member of parliaments to join in this particular event. But there you can see now the bike rally which is being organized by the Ministry of Culture is now heading from Red Fort towards the Sea Hexagon, and later it will conclude at India Gate. Certainly almost 500 to 600 bikes are here. There has been a massive security arrangement that has been made as far as the traffic arrangements are concerned by the Delhi police. But certainly the BJP member of parliaments have gathered over here. There you can see more member of parliaments coming in on their bikes. Today we spoke to Rajvardhan Singh Rathore. He was very much excited about this bike rally, and he clearly stated. There you can see G. Kishan Reddy on his bike, and we will speak to him. Anurag Thakur as well. Sir, how massive is this, sir? Kitna bada mauka hai? So there you can see G. Kishan Reddy, Anurag Thakur on their bikes, and they are holding tirangas in their hand, and clearly more member of parliaments as well now leaving from Red Fort, as this has been flagged off by Venkaiah Naidu, the Vice President of this country, and lastly the traffic police as well, who is taking care of the security arrangements from here. G. Kishan Reddy yesterday as well spoke on this campaign, and he have also urged different member of parliaments, but what we can witness over here is in this bike rally, only the member of parliament from the Bharatiya Janata Party have come out, and they are participating, but certainly from Home Minister to the Culture Minister and Minister of State as well, they certainly have invited, and this is going to be a big show as far as the government is concerned, to invoke people to hold tirangas in their hand and to hoist the national flag at different places across the country under the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav campaign.
Okay.
Absolutely, but Aishwarya, we're looking at multiple programs that have been announced by the government. You know, when it comes to the Har Ghar Tiranga campaign, there has been a video, there has been a theme song that has also been launched. Now this is the bike rally. Just take us through the multiple initiatives that have been announced by the government.
Well, there has been different ministries which have also been included in this particular campaign, as far as Har Ghar Tiranga, as far as the Har Ghar Tiranga campaign and Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. Union Civil Ministry has been asked to rope in as well, and they have been told different flights will be painted by Tiranga. Narendra Modi, in fact, speaking at one of the event, had clearly has urged that people from different different fields have to should change their profile pictures on their social media as Tiranga. There have been a theme program, and different state governments have also been asked to organize such campaigns, and we are witnessing from different states.
That's right. And now visuals coming in from the national capital, like you just brought us, Aishwarya, of this march that's going on. Thank you so much for joining us with that. On that note, we're slipping into a very short break here. We'll be right back. To stay with us.